wondered why the Pacific Ocean sometimes turns unusually cool and how it influences our global climate? This mystery is known as La Niña. This intriguing natural phenomenon not only affects the temperature of the Pacific, but also has far-reaching impacts on our environment, agriculture, and even fisheries. How does this occur? What triggers this shift in temperature? And most importantly, what does this mean for our planet? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of La Niña. La Niña, Spanish for the girl, is a weather phenomenon characterized by unusually cold ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific. But what does this really mean? How does this girl dance her way into our climate? La Niña starts her dance with the Pacific Ocean. Imagine, if you will, a massive body of water, its surface warmed by the sun. Normally, this warm water is pushed westward by trade winds, making room for cooler water to well up from the depths in a process known as upwelling. But sometimes these winds blow stronger than usual. The surface water is pushed further west, and more cold water rises to take its place. This is the cooling of the Pacific that marks the beginning of La Niña's dance. But the dance doesn't stop there. As the ocean cools, it starts to affect the air above it. Cooler waters mean less evaporation, less moisture in the air. This causes a shift in atmospheric pressure, creating high-pressure systems over the cooler waters and low-pressure systems over the warmer waters. These shifts in atmospheric pressure, in turn, reinforce the trade winds, creating a feedback loop. The stronger winds push more warm water westward, leading to more upwelling, more cooling, and the cycle continues. This feedback loop, this dance between the ocean and the atmosphere, is what sustains La Niña. It's a sort of tug-of-war, with the ocean and atmosphere pulling on each other, each influencing the other's movements. But this dance isn't confined to the Pacific. It stretches its fingers, or rather its winds and currents, into the atmosphere around the globe, affecting weather patterns far and wide. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet's climate systems. So, we see that La Niña is not just about cold waters, but an intricate dance of oceanic and atmospheric changes. It's a dance that affects everything from the weather we experience to the food we eat, a dance that reminds us of the delicate balance of our planet's climate. Now that we know what La Niña is and how it happens, let's explore its impact on our environment, agriculture, global climate, and fisheries. La Niña, with its cooler-than-normal sea surface temperatures in the equatorial Pacific, has profound effects on weather patterns around the globe. These changes can be both beneficial and detrimental. For instance, the southeastern United States tends to see wetter-than-normal conditions, which can be a boon for farmers, but can also lead to flooding. Conversely, the southwestern United States often experiences drier conditions, leading to droughts that can negatively impact agriculture and water supplies. Moving to marine life, La Niña's effects are equally significant. The cooler waters brought about by La Niña can lead to an increase in nutrients in the surface waters of the Pacific. This nutrient boost can result in more plankton, which serves as a food source for a wide variety of marine life. This chain reaction can lead to thriving fisheries, particularly along the coasts of South America. But it's not all about weather and marine life. La Niña also plays a crucial role in our global climate. While La Niña events can temporarily cool the planet, they also have the ability to intensify climate phenomena such as hurricanes. In fact, some of the most destructive hurricane seasons have occurred during La Niña years. You might be wondering, does La Niña contribute to climate change? Well, it's a bit of a complex relationship. While La Niña itself doesn't cause climate change, the changes in weather patterns and ocean temperatures it brings about can exacerbate the effects of climate change. For example, drier conditions can lead to more intense wildfires, and increased rainfall can lead to more severe flooding, both of which are amplified by our warming planet. La Niña, a seemingly simple cooling of the Pacific, has far-reaching effects on our planet and our lives. So the next time you hear about a La Niña event, remember, it's not just about cooler waters in the Pacific. It's a global event with impacts reaching from our oceans to our farms, from our weather to our climate. In a nutshell, La Niña is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that reminds us of the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. We've journeyed through its occurrence in the Pacific Ocean, delved into its intricate nature, and explored its profound impacts on our environment, agriculture, global climate, and fisheries. The magnitude of La Niña underscores the vitality of understanding and studying these climatic events. Next time you hear about La Niña, remember, it's not just about the Pacific Ocean, but a global climate event that affects